Yeah, hello children. Welcome back. I'm doing 10th class real numbers first chapter. Before going to that, let us talk about a small proverb. The proverb is to err is human. To err is human. Err means what children? Mistakes. Means doing mistakes is human tendency. Tendency in the sense somehow or the other and on one day or the other it's a natural thing that occurs. Nobody is perfect. So some or the other mistakes do happen. But there are few people who starts thinking very deeply about the mistake that they have done, and they will be keeping on worrying about what they have done, and sometimes they may even go into depression. But that is wrong, children. If you have done a mistake, it has happened. You cannot recoup it again. But what you can do, you can learn from your mistake. Yes, this is the mistake I have done. I'm not supposed to do, but it happened. So now, let me not to do this kind of things again. Let me be very careful while I am in the tasks. So that kind of thought, if you keep in your mind, if you train your mind in that positive sense, definitely you will be always successful, children. Remember that to err is human, so you can correct yourself. The meaning of this is that. But don't say that to err is human, so I have done the mistake, let it be. No, that is negative thought. No, to err is human, I have done it, let me correct myself is the correct way of thinking, children. Let us come back to the topic in the real numbers. In the previous class, I have taught you about how to this logarithms I have taught. In logarithms, product rule I have taught, quotient rule I have taught, and then after teaching you product rule and then quotient rule, power rule also I have taught. In product rule and quotient rule, the proofs also I have taught. Now, basing on those rules, we are now going to do the problems, children. You have got in page 24, you have got some try these problems, children. These try these problems are very important. That is why I am doing it here. Find the value of log 32 to the base 2. So you suppose that let log 32 to the base 2 is x. What does this imply, children? 2 to the power of x is 32. So you have converted logarithmic form into exponential form. Now you have to make two bases as equal. Is it possible or not? Let us see. 32 means 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are. So you are able to do 2 to the power of x is 2 to the power of 5. Therefore, x value is 5. That means what, children? Log 32 to the base 2 is equal to 5. This is your answer. Write down this, children. Now, let us go to the second bit. Now the second bit is find the value of log root c to the base c. So let us suppose that log root c to the base c is equal to x. Exponential form, c to the power of x is root c. You know, children, already have done in your previous class, root c means c to the power of 1 by 2. Therefore, c to the power of x is c to the power of 1 by 2. So, what is x? X is 1 by 2. So, log root c to the base c is equal to 1 by 2 is the answer. Copy it, children. Now, third bit. Third bit is you have to find out log 0.001 to the base 10. So let us suppose that log 0.001 to the base 10 is equal to x. What does this imply, children? 10 to the power of x is 0.001. This can be written as 1 by, after 1, 2, 3 digits, so 3 zeros. 1 by 1000. This is nothing but 1 by 1000 means 10 cube. If you write this to the means reciprocal of it, you will be getting 10 to the power of minus 3. So what you have got, children? 10 to the power of x is 10 to the power of minus 3. So what is x? X is minus 3. That means log 0.001 to the base 10 is equal to minus 3 is the answer. Write on this, children. Now, let us see the next part. That is, you have another bit, fourth bit. The fourth bit here is find the value of log 8 by 27 to the base 2 by 3. This is the problem. So, let log 8 by 27 to the base 2 by 3 is equal to x. Exponential form of it implies 2 by 3 whole to the power of x is 8 by 27. 8 can be written as 2 cube. 27 can be written as 3 cube. That means it is 2 by 3 whole cube. So you made same base. So what you can say? 2 by 3 whole to the power of x is equal to 2 by 3 whole cube. That means what, children? X is equal to 3. So log 8 by 27 to the base 2 by 3 is equal to, the answer you have got is 3. 3. This is the answer. All these problems are very, very important, children. Write down this. Now, try this. Sums are completed. Now, in the same page, you have some example problems. We will do them. That is example 11. Example 11. You have to expand log 343 by 125. So, let log 343 by 125, when numbers are given, base is not given, take base as 10, children, is equal to log 343 to the base 10 minus log 125 to the base 10. What is the property that you have used, children? Because log x by y is equal to log x minus log y, of course, to the base a. This is the property which you have learnt. So this is nothing but log 343. 7 4s are and 7 9s are 63. 7 7s are. So 343 means 7 cube. to the base 10 minus log 125 means 5 cube to the base 10. So this can also be written as 3 log 7 to the base 10 minus 3 log minus 3 log 5 to the base 10. The reason here is log x to the power of n to the base a is equal to n log x to the base a. This is what the property which you have done, children. So, basing on that property, you are writing this. So, in this what you are getting, you can take 3 as common. Log 7 to the base 10 minus log 5 to the base 10. So, log 343 by 125 to the base 10 is equal to 3 into log 7 to the base 10 minus log 5 to the base 10. This is the expansion form. This is the answer, children. Write up. Now, let us go to the another example. The other example 12. What is this example 12? Let us see. Write 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2 as a single logarithm. So, you take the value 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2. This can be written as log 3 square plus log 5 cube minus log 2 to the power of 5. Okay, children, what is the property that we have used? Because log x to the power of n to the base a is equal to n log x to the base a. So you have got it like this, n log x to the base a, you have converted it in this power. So this means what, children? Log 3 square into 5 cube by 2 to the power of 5. Here you have used two properties, children. Log xy is equal to log x plus log y. This is one property because you have plus here. I have used this. Log x by y is equal to log x minus log y. This is the property that I have used here. Since minus is there, that means this should be divided by this. So how much you are getting? Log 3 square is 9 into 125 by 2 to the power of 5 is 32. Means log 125 into 9. 9 5s are 45. 18, 4, 22, 9 1s are 9, 10, 11. 11, 25 by 32 is the answer. So, you have converted the given logarithm into a single log. I hope you have understood, children. Very, very important sums these are all. Write down. Now, let us see you have any other example. I think you have one more in the next page. Yes, example 13. A very, very important example, children. This is very, very important. I have seen in many question papers. this question or this type of question. They may change, but the procedure is same. Solve 3 to the power of x is equal to 5 to the power of x minus 2. Actually, children, you cannot solve it as it is because the bases are not equal. You cannot think about the bases. Bases are not equal. So when bases are equal, you can talk about when bases are equal, you can say the powers are equal. So you can find out. But here the bases are different. So what you have to do on taking log to the base 10 on both the sides. What am I doing? I am using the property of logarithms. So log 3 to the power of x to the base 10 is equal to log 5 to the power of x minus 2 to the base 10. Okay, children. So here, what I can do, this can also be written as x log 3 to the base 10 is equal to x minus 2 log 5 to the base 10. The property again, you write this property because log x to the power of n to the base a is equal to n log x to the base a. This is the property that we have used and the powers I have taken as multiples. So 3 log, x log 3 to the base 10 is equal to, here you can multiply x log 5 to the base 10 minus 2 log 5 to the base 10. It is like this one distributive property, children. A into b minus c is a into b minus a into c. So x into log 5 a to the base 10 minus 2 into log 5 to the base 10. So bring this here, that is 2 log 5 to the base 10 minus becomes plus is equal to x log 5 to the base 10 minus x log 3 to the base 10. What did I do? Because I have made it here, I made all the x's together. So plus when it goes here, you are getting it as minus. That means here you can take x into log 5 to the base 10 minus log 3 to the base 10. What is it? 2 log 5 to the base 10 is equal to. That means you can take x is equal to, take only x because solve he said you want x is equal to 2 log 5 to the base 10 divided by, I'll write once again, 2 log 5 to the base 10 divided by log 5 to the base 10 minus log 3 to the base 10. This is the answer for this problem, children. See, normally when you wanted to find out x value, it is impossible because bases are not equal. Only when bases are equal, you can say that the powers are equal and you can determine the value of x. But in this case, it is not possible. The reason for it is what? The reason is bases are not equal. So what we can do? You can take the help of logarithm. So I have taken log 10 on both the sides. So I have written left side as a log 3 to the power of x to the base 10 and RHS also log 5 to the power of x minus 2 to the base 10. So again this I have converted basing on the rule log n x to the power of n to the base a is n log x to the base a. Basing on that rule x is equal to log 3 to the base 10 and this is equal to x minus 2 into log 5 to the base 10. This is distributive property. I can use it here. This as it is I can do because it itself is the simplified form. Here I have used the distributive property x into log 5 to the base 10 minus 2 into log 5 to the base 10. So since the number is here, I have brought it to the left side because it has got minus sign. I brought it to the right side and this left one x I have brought it to the right side. From right side 2 log 5 to the power of 5 to the base 10 has gone to left side and log 5 to the base 10 I have taken here. This I have taken it to right side plus becomes minus. So 2 log 5 to the base 10 is in these two x is common. X into log 5 to the base 10 minus log 3 to the base 10. So here I want solving means I need x value. So x is equal to, let me write here, x is equal to 2 log 5 to the base 10 by log 5 to the base 10 minus log 3 to the base 10. I hope you have understood, children. Copy it. Now, one more example, children. One more example is example 14. What is this example 14? Find x if 2 log 5 plus half log 9 minus log 3 is equal to x. So, you take the LHS, children. LHS is 2 log 5 means 5 to the base 10 plus half log 9 minus log 3. This can be written as log 5 square to the base 10 plus log 9 to the power of 1 by 2 to the base 10 minus log 3 to the base 10. Okay, children, here what is the property that you have used? Log x to the power of n to the base a is equal to n log x to the base a. This formula we have used. It means from this form we have taken this form. So here what you can do, children? Log 5 square. Log 5 square means log 25 to the base 10. You can write it as log 25 to the base 10 plus log 9. 9 to the power of 1 by 2 means root 9 to the base 10 minus log 3 to the base 10. What do you mean by this, children? This is nothing but log 25 to the base 10 plus log, this means how much, children? Log root 9 means log 3 to the base 10 minus log 3 to the base 10. Are you understanding, children? Root 9 means 3. So, what you can say? This log 3 plus and minus will get cancelled. So, answer is log 25 to the base 10. Therefore, x is equal to log 25 to the base 10 is your answer. So, I hope you have understood, children. With this, I wanted to conclude my part today. In the next class, we will be doing exercise 1.5. Okay, children.